Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking what chapter 2 cumulative pools. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description and shown on my WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete course. Okay, if you do not ever do this assignment and if you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment for you and I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. Let's start our assignment. To solve it step by step. We will go to MyItLab Pearson, go to what chapter 2, what chapter 2 cumulative pools, PC and Mac. You can see here, we will download this file first. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, we will open this our file, what chapter 2 cumulative pools. We will download this file in our PC, and then we will start our assignment to solve it step by step. And my WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and come on my WhatsApp chat. Click on download material button. So we will click on download all files button. We will go to our download folder in our PC and we will open, you can see files is downloaded here. We will open our instruction file first. Click on enable editing button. Okay, so we will open our next file or we will read this first. Exp22 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Pools. I will increase the font size of this title first. For a proper view, then I will highlight this title because my art student will be understand very well and read very well in my video. So, this is the title of assignment XP22 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative pools. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. So moving on instruction, first I will select this complete instruction. I will increase the font size of this instruction file for a proper view in my video. So I will start my assignment to solve it step by step. You can follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not ever do this assignment, then you can contact me. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. Question number 1 is that start Word, download and open the file name Exp22 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Pools. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Ensure that non-printing characters are displayed. Basically, in this question, we will have to download our Word file from Pearson MyItLab dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. You can download this file easily. Okay, click on enable editing button. I have opened my file right now. So, moving on, next question. Next question is question number 2. Select crystal clear perfection at the end of the first body paragraph and bold it. Okay, select all text and change the font to Arial. Change the alignment of selected text to justify. The first point of this question is that we will have to select crystal clear perfection at the end of the first body paragraph. Okay, we will go to the end of the first body paragraph and we will select this crystal clear perfection. So we will bold it. Okay, and bold it. We will go to file in the home tab in the font group. Simply click on bold button. You can see crystal clear perfection is bolded right now. So the next point of this question is that select all text and change the font to Arial. We will have to select all text first. Okay, all text is selected now. So we will go to the home tab in the font group, go to the font style. We will apply Arial style. Where is Arial? Here is Arial. Okay, I have applied Arial style on all text. So change the alignment of selected text to justify. Okay, so we will select this all text. So we will go to the home tab in the paragraph group, open paragraph launcher box, go to the alignment. We will simply apply justified Okay, alignment is justified of this alt text paragraph. Click on OK button. This is good now. I have done this question, so moving on. Question number 3 of this assignment. Question number 3 is that select the first two body paragraphs on page 1 and adjust the length spacing to 1.5. Ensure that paragraph spacing before and after is 0 point for the selected paragraph. Supply a first line intended for two paragraphs of 0.5 inches. Okay. The first point of this question is that select the first two body paragraph on page 1 and adjust the length spacing to 1.5. We will select the first two body paragraph on pages 1. Here is the first two body paragraph, sorry, on page 1. So adjust the length spacing to 1.5. So we will have to adjust the length spacing. Go to the home tab in the paragraph group, click on length spacing button. We will adjust the length spacing to 1.5. Okay, this is good. So the next is that ensure that the paragraph spacing before and after is 0 point for the selected paragraph. Okay, so we will go to the home tab. Go to the home tab in the paragraph group, open paragraph launcher box. Length spacing is before and after to 0 point. We will set spacing before 0 point and after 0 point. So we will click on OK button. Okay. Apply the first line intent for two paragraph of 0 0.5 inches. Okay, again open paragraph launcher box. Okay, special is first line intent of 0 0.5 inches. Click on OK button. So moving on, next question. I have done 3 questions so far. Question number 4 is that select all subheadings that are formatted in bold and change the font size to 14. Okay, simply we will have to select all subheadings that are formatted in bold and change the font size to 14. Okay, we will select first all subheading and change the font size to 14. Where is all subheading? Okay, first heading is get rid of debris, set up the vacuum. We will select this all subheading vacuum the pool. So the next subheading is adjust the chemicals. So the next subheading is backwash the filter. The next subheading is clean the pump filter. The next subheading is add chlorine to the system. So I have select all subheading, go to the home tab in the font group, click on the font size button. We will apply 14 font size on all subheading. You can see. Now moving on, question number 5 of this assignment. I have done 4 questions so far. The question number 5 is that select the 4 paragraph that precede the get rid of debris heading, beginning with check the pool's water balance and ending with add an. I'll just add a box double line border with 3 or 4 line weight and a color of blue gray text to shade the bordered area with blue gray text to light at 60%. Okay, simply the first point is that select the 4 paragraph that precede the get rid of debris heading, beginning with the check the pool's water balance and ending with add an algae streets. Okay. We will go to our file first and then we will select 4 paragraph. This is check the pool's water balance and add a algacids. Okay, so add a box double line border with 3 over 4 point line weight and color of blue gray text 2. Okay, add a box double line, go to the home tab in the paragraph group. We will click on borders double line. Okay, border and shading, we will apply 3 or 4 points. We will first select box double line and sorry, one second, double line border with 3 over 4 weight. Add a box double line border with 3 over 4 weight. 3 over 4 weight. So the next is that color of blue gray text 2. Color of blue gray text 2. Okay, shade the border. One second. Simply click on OK. This is good. So shade the border area with blue gray text to lighter 60%. So again we will open this bottom border and shading. We will go to the shading. So we will shade the border blue gray lighter 60%. Simply click on OK button. This is good now. Okay, so we will move on question number 6. Question number 6 is that display the ruler, click or position the insertion point at the top of the document and press enter. Click or select the newly inserted blank paragraph, drag or move the first line indent marker black to the left margin to remove the first line indent from the blank paragraph. The first point is that display the ruler. We will go to the view tab. In the show group, we will simply click on ruler checkbox. The ruler will be displayed. So the next is that click or position the insertion point at the top of the document and press enter. Okay, click or position the insertion point at the top of the document and press enter. Top of the document and press enter. Okay. So the next is that click or select the newly inserted blank paragraph. Drag or move the first line indent marker black to the left margin to remove the first line indent from the blank paragraph. Click or go to the home tab in the paragraph group, specialist none, and simply click on OK button. So we will move on next. You can see I have done this question so well. Question number 7 is that set a left tab as 1 inches and a right tab as 5 inches. Okay, this is the first point of question number 7. Ensure that the right tab include a dash reader. Okay, press tab and type your pool. Do not type the periods. So we will press tab and type your way. Do not type the period. Change the font to your pool and your way to Lustra calligraphy. Okay. Bold both text item on the first line and change the font size to 10. The first point of this question is that set a left tab as 1 inches. Okay, left tab here and click on 1 inches. Okay. So the right tab has 5 inches. The right tab has left and right is 5 inches. Okay, yes, okay, left 1 inches and right is 5 inches. So the next is that ensure that the right tab include a dash leader. Ensure that the right tab include a dash leader. We will open paragraph launcher box. We will go to the tabs button and we will click on 5 and click on this 3 and simply click on OK. This is dash reader. So press tab and type your pool. Simply we will press tab and type your pool. We will simply copy and paste your pool. So the next is that we will press tab and we will type your way. So we will press tab and type your way. Okay, the next is that do not type the period, change the font for your pool and your way to Leicester calligraphy. We will select this both. Okay, we will select this both your pool and your way, and then we will apply the font style to Leicester calligraphy. Go to the home tab in the font group, click on font style button. We will apply Leicester calligraphy. So the next is that bold atom. Okay, bold both text atom on the first line and change the font size to 10. We will go to the home tab. In the font group, apply bold. So we will go to the font size and then we will apply font size to 10. Go to the font size button. We will apply 10 font size on your pool and your way. You can see I have done this question so well. Now I have done 7 questions of this assignment in my video right now. Now I am going to do question number 8. Click or position the insertion point before the second sentence in the first body paragraph at the top of page 3. Okay. The sentence begin with add more in hot weather, delete the preceding space and period that ends the first sentence, insert an M dash symbol and change the case of add to add. The first point of this question is that click or position the insertion point before the second sentence. First body paragraph on page 3. First body paragraph on page 3. We will go to page 3. Okay. Click and position insertion point before the second sentence in the first body paragraph on page 3. The sentence begin with add more in hot weather. So delete the preceding space and period that end the first sentence. So we will delete the preceding sentence and period in first sentence. You can see insert an M dash symbol and change the case of add to add. Insert an M dash symbol. We will go to the insert tab. One second. Go to the insert tab in the symbols group. Click on symbol button. Okay. We will go to the special character. We will insert M dash. Okay. Click on insert button. M dash symbol and change the case of add to add. Insert an M dash symbol and change the case of N to M. Add to add. Sorry. Case of add to add. Okay, I have done this question. Now moving on, you can see total question of this assignment is 18. I have done 9 to 10 question in my video. For remaining question and if you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development and many more online courses. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link or directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. If you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my email. My WhatsApp and email both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. You can contact me and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, all assignments, project, midterm exam and final exam with A+ grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my student. Thank you so much.